Hi everyone, this is Ali here, your presenter today. Welcome to the Chart Trader, having an edge in the market video. Hopefully this video will motivate you if you are a trader or investor or wants to become one. Also, this video will show you our edge in the Forex market. Today, you will be witnessing the success in the forecasting the market direction from top to bottom, entry to exit. And we hope this video will help you discover that if you have the right approach to the market and the right knowledge, then it is possible to predict and analyze the next move from top to bottom and vice versa. Visit our website to learn more about us and how we may be able to help you change your life and your future. Link will be posted in the description below. Let's get this party started. So let's get started with DXY, US dollar index. And let's start with telling you what we did anticipate. We did anticipate this move, guys, from the top down here. I'll show you in a sec. And we did anticipate this up move. Let's move directly to this first move to the downside. So we go here, and this is my weekly outlook. Was posted on 12 February on my YouTube channel. Here, the Chart Trader. This is my YouTube channel. So this was posted on there. So let's see. So as you saw, guys, I said there is one more move up and we are coming down. Okay, and we did got this. And if you watch this number 2, you will see exactly the bottom where we are now. Sorry, where's this move is here. So let's go back. So we did get that down move. Yes, we did. See, we was at the top and we said we are coming down. We was here. Let me draw for you. We was here. We said one more move up and we are coming down. First stop is here and we continuing down and we got this. So let's move on to the second week. So this was last week. No, this the week before last week. This one was posted as well. So in this video, I was explaining how we did get the up move. Okay, so you will see there is 2 videos inside each other. So this was just showing the previous video in the current video on this one posted last week. So let's start and see. Guys, so we did anticipate this move and now so as you see, we did say we are having an up move from right the bottom. We guessed the turn and we got it correct. And at this place, watch, we said it's correction and continuing. Let me clear my drawing so you see the old draw to the upside. And let's see from there. Let's move back to the chart. And as you see, in detail, this one. I showed you in a pure, no editing, nothing. On previous video to this video to today, where we did anticipate this move and this move. And do you want to see more magic? Are you interested to see more on this pair? Exactly. I will show you now 1 year forecast from 1 year before. Okay, let's go on straight away. So here, as you can see, this video was posted on 7 February 2019. 2019, guys. Let's click on it and see where we did expect this move to start from. And let's play it and see if we did got it. So in 1 sec, we will see that move come exactly as we did expect. I'm just waiting on this to get played out. So this was our forecast. So what I want you to see is, you see we did anticipate this move from here to here, and coming back down they did, going back up they did, but the power is not knowing the general direction of the market. What I want you to see in this one, that's why I'm showing you, to understand how we do forecast the top and the bottom, and the market react exactly where we say, okay? And this was posted from 1 year before, guys. So I want you to learn all this stuff. By joining this course, you will understand how we do that exactly, and I will give you that big vision so you protect yourself with that. If you only been with us from 1 year and you only traded on this pair, you will become rich for now, from 1 year to now, only following this pair, nothing else. So as you see on this pair, it did exactly what we want. And if you want to see the continuation, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, The Sharp Trader, because every week we post what we see next to happen in the market. So let's move on to Euro USD. And this pair as well has been playing for us like a magic. I'll take you through our previous weekly outlooks. Okay, and since we was somewhere here, let's just draw on the chart quickly. We was here, and we didn't anticipate this, and all this to the downside, and this up move, and coming back down. Okay, let's go now and see it. Let's see. Oh, I can see that. And this is what we said, this is coming down. We said breaking here will confirm that down move. We did break. We said right in the second videos, you know, we said it's right correction and tell this, and we come exactly right here. Okay. And let's move to the next week, to the week when after this move happened to the upside, and we didn't anticipate this down move. Okay. This was my box still in there, didn't even touch it. This move comes here. And now we come here and we're anticipating this down move to the downside. And let's see if this plays out as well. Here, see exactly where we said at the top. And this has managed to turn right from where we said. We did exactly forecast this from the top, guys. This numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I didn't even move or play with it. It was there before even that move happened. If you watch my outlook, you will find out, because no, it's not big time for me, because I'll be posting this video here on our course page, so I don't want to take too much of your time. I just want to get the point of me posting this video. So I just trying to explain what edge you should expect to have after finishing or completing this course. So let's move directly to the chart. Okay, and this is the chart, guys. So as you see, it was here. I just show you, let me just quickly explain here. We was at this point. Yes, here. Because this is, should be like this. Yes. We was here. We said white correction and sell this to the down here. Exactly my box is here. One is somewhere around there. Okay. And as you see, we did forecast this up move as well and this down move, and they're playing out exactly as we said. And that's all for the Euro USD. So let's move on to the USD JPY, USD Yen. And here you guys, we did anticipate this move exactly too from the top, from right here. We said this down, coming down, and the power, guys, is not knowing that move, knowing where they're gonna turn from. Okay, I'll show you this in a sec. And we said this is coming here. You take profit here, enter below here, and sell this, and we got that as well. So and we didn't spade this up move, guys. And if you see this down move here, we didn't spade this, even this down move, and we said then we're going up. Let's go to the video and show you. Okay, in this video you can clearly see that down move was expected, and we said we are going up again. Let's go back to the chart quickly and show you that. And it's here. Hey guys, look, I just put my drawing so I leave it the same for you guys. See, exactly as we did expect. And this is the power you will get in this course. You will understand how to read the structure. Okay, and if the structure doesn't play out as you expect, what to expect next and how do you follow up with and how to update your idea. Okay, let me show you an example of this. So this is the USDGPY, and it was a posted here on TradingView, and we said we are in this down move. We said take this is your first target and breaking this white correction and sell. Okay, this is next target, white correction and sell, and I put here the long-term target. Okay, let's see if this has managed to play out exactly to the bottom and turn. And we will show you that turn as well. We did expect it from the bottom. So exactly, guys, you see the bottom is, let me clear, and let's draw again. You see this bottom? Yeah. You see this down move again down, all it comes. And the best of all of this, we did expect this move as well. Let me show you. This side as well. I'll update. So I didn't find this one, but anyway, you can see we did forecast this. My arrow was there pointing the end, we pointing going to the upside. Okay, and I'll show you on the chart something. You make it more very clear for you. You see this? See this one? This. Yeah, I put it there for you guys. I said be inside way here, and now we can be the top and we can be dropping from here. So this, if you take this course, you'll understand if this is going to drop or this is going to continue and this is your running flat and we're going up, or this is your regular flat and we're coming down. Okay, this is where you get power. I'll not be talking about this now. I'll leave this one for my weekly outlook and I'll be posting it there. So this is everything for the USDGPY. As you see, we did expect the turn from right at top. We said if you break here, cancel the trade because that means it's not doing what we want it to do. And we said sell here, it's safe entry. And we said if we comes break this trend line, because we had strong support at this zone, if we break it, we are going down. And we gave you exactly the target, guys. This is the magic in here. It's not only guessing a move or you expecting, and it's like you playing lotto, you get it or not, or you gamble it. We do understand where they're gonna stop, give you correction, and go continue. And where's your target? Exactly 100%. So I'll end this video here, and I hope this make it clear for you what you will get and what knowledge you will have in this course by taking this course. So now it's your choice, and now you can decide if you're gonna give you an edge over the market or not. And one important thing, guys, before we end this video, just let me say, by taking this course, you're not buying a couple recorded video and tell you that's it, we don't know you anymore, like all other people out there. Okay, we have our community. We're going to bring you and put you as a member of our community for life. Okay, you will go and be there every day. If you have mistake at some point or you struggle at some point, we are there to support you and to help you 24/7. We have trading room open 24/7. All trader in there, always sharing ID, finding trade setup and talking, and speaking about the next market move. Okay, we did get all these big moves, guys, and I want you to be on this track with me. I want to create successful community. Okay, this is my top priority of creating this course, creating professional trader and professional community. And at some time in the future, I'll be closing out this course, and the trader I'm trying, that's it. This is going to be my community when we reach maybe around 500-600 person. And we will be choosing out of these people a professional team we're gonna do only one team.